Stop what you're doing and open Google. Type the main problem your product solves and add the word Reddit at the end. I'll bet you there's a thread in the top 5 results, and the brand being recommended inside it isn't you. Let's fix that. Today, you're going to find the Reddit threads already ranking for your keywords, get into those conversations the right way, and put your brand inside the discussions your buyers are reading before they decide to buy. I built my first company almost entirely on organic search. I was the sniper getting into the conversations before my competitors even saw the posts on the other sites. This is that marketing playbook on a channel most marketers are sleeping on. After Google's 2023 helpful content updates, Reddit surged. A February 2024 analysis by Velir using Ahrefs data found Reddit's first-page Google keywords grew 77%, and estimated organic traffic grew 76% following those updates. Google made a deliberate call to reward first-person experience-based content over polished brand pages. Your buyers are already in these threads. You want your perspective to be there when those buyers show up. Here are your 5 steps to put this strategy into action for your product or service. Step 1, find the threads that are already winning. Search your target keyword the way a real buyer types it. Plain English, not industry language. Best email marketing tool for small business. How to get more leads from my website. Alternatives to fill in your competitor's name. Then add Reddit at the end. What comes back is a list of threads Google has already decided are worth ranking, which means real buyers are clicking them right now. Cut and paste the top 5 or 10 into a spreadsheet so that you can keep track of them. You want threads with at least 20 comments posted within the last 2 or 3 years, active enough that new comments still get seen. Step 2, read before you post anything. Read every comment in your target threads. Understand what the top voted answers say. Find the gap, the question nobody answered well, the perspective that's missing, the place where your experience adds something that isn't already there. If you can't find a genuine gap, move to the next thread. Reddit communities flag self-promotion fast and ban accounts that show up with a pitch dressed as advice. Your job isn't just to be in the thread. Your job is to be the most useful voice in it. Step 3, write the answer that earns its place. Lead with the direct answer, no preamble. Then add one detail or experience that makes it better than anything else already there. If your product is genuinely relevant, drop it in like this. We hit this exact problem building our own list. What worked was X. And if you want something that handles this automatically, we built fill in your product or service name for exactly this. Happy to share more if useful. That's honest, useful, and specific. That's the comment that can get upvoted instead of reported. Step 4, build your account presence. Start today in parallel. Don't wait for the perfect thread before you build any Reddit history. Pick 2 subreddits in your industry. Spend 10 minutes today answering a question you actually know the answer to. No agenda, no product mention. Do that a few times a week for 2 or 3 weeks. Reddit's algorithm and moderators both flag accounts that appear out of nowhere and immediately start mentioning products. A little runway changes everything. It's just the cost of admission. Step 5, track, return, and refresh every 90 days. Reddit threads don't die. They accumulate. A thread from 2021 can still rank, still get readers, still get new comments today. Every 90 days or so, go back to your target threads. Check what's still ranking. Look for new threads on the same keywords. Find new gaps. This is more of a lightweight habit, not a full-time job. But it's a habit that keeps your brand in the conversations your buyers are having right now. The mistake that kills this strategy fast is going promotional too soon. One comment that reads like an ad gets you banned from that subreddit, and it wipes every comment you've posted there. Trust me, I know how hard it is, but patience pays off here. Be useful first, every time. Second, don't target by upvotes. Target by search ranking. A thread with 500 upvotes on page 4 of Google is worth far less than a thread with 30 upvotes in position 2. Confirm its ranking before you invest the time on it. Your marketing move? Right now, after this episode, open Google, type in your most important buyer keyword and add Reddit. Find the top ranked thread, read it, find the gap, write the best answer that thread has ever seen, because whoever owns that thread this week owns the buyer. I've included a cheat sheet for you in the show notes to get you started. Your marketing move